Alright, today guys, we're gonna be playing some teardown. Of course, with some mods. If anyone knows what teardown is, search it up. And we're gonna... No, let's do this map. Yeah. Sounds about right. Now, what shall we destroy? Or do? One or the other. Still works. Actually, I wonder if I make a idea. Wait, hang on. Let me use no clip real quick. I'm gonna get this truck. So I might lower my graphics just a little bit. Yep. Everything should still look the same, of course. It's just like a render quality. Alright. Wrong item. There we go. Bro, I'm drifting this crap. Gimme. Gimme. It's too heavy. I'm just gonna drive it. Now, how am I want to get it up here, right? Yeah. I don't know if this is gonna work. Actually, wait. Oh! I did a quick flip. Oh, Jesus. Okay, you know what? Yeah. I'm good by car. I'm just gonna, use this instead. Bro, I suck at driving, bro. My driving's like if you take a bag of pee-pee and you just try driving it. Just take a bag of pee-pee, put 4 wheels on it. Make sure you have a steering wheel. That's what this drives like. I need to make this more or less weight. Yep, that looking good. Kind of. Yeah. Bro, how heavy? Bruh. Can I, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna make it very flat. Bro, what do you mean? Bro, oh my god. You know what? I just bought one car up there. You know, I'm gonna... What do you mean? Bruh. You know what? I don't want the thing to fully be destroyed, but... Okay, yep, never mind. Okay, wow. You know what? There you go, it's a brick now. Yeah. Bet. It's a towing truck simulator now. Oh, I'm drifting my character. with my other mod. But yeah. 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 Bro, this literally drives the exact same. I don't want to try damaging the vehicle too much, because then they drive on crap. And why are the lights on this pink? Are we not? There we go. Much better. Bro, this is what I call the vibing truck. Yeah. This is totally gonna go really well. I'm just gonna ram this new house. Oh, how did that destroy this van so damn... Bro, what do you mean? I love using boost in this game, honestly. Yep. Everything is going well. Alright. I'm not going to give the vans that much support because I don't want to add too much weight on those. Plus, flanks in this game are kind of indestructible by weight-wise. Just it'll act weird if you don't add enough. Yep. 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 Oh! Oh, 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 oh. We're good. We're good. Oh. We're totally good. Yeah. Hey, right here. That. This is how I break in a house. Wait. Hey. Okay, there we go. Now my rocket launcher is now more powerful. Let's have what this now. Or leave it burning. Get rid of it. Yup. I'm taking Grandpa's car on a night drive. Alright, Grandpa, I'm taking your car. This is Graham Happy's car. 110%. My neck choker is making my throat feel weird. I don't like it. I've been wearing this a little too long, I think. Landed it. Bro, there's literally like a hellstorm out over here. Alright. Wanna know what I'm gonna do? Make this flammable. I'm gonna make it like a dart. You know. Yeah, or that. Yep. Alright, let's go. Gun it. There is helmet in this game, but I have my helmet off. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make a good entry. I'm using way too many mods, like the spray gun doesn't even do this, and I'm making it do it. Yes. How much can I make this house flammable? Or burn it. This isn't, the whole thing's flammable. I'm actually starting to lag. A little bit. Actually, wait. I think I know why I'm lagging. Wait a minute, pause 1 minute. That explains a lot. Yep. Yep. Alright. Is the video? Yeah, the video's fine. Alright, good. Now I'm not lagging. Let's go. I feel so good, bro. Actually, what is my computer temps fully at? That's not even that bad. That house is looking really good. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oh, that was satisfying. 110%. I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Wait, can I make it fall out of the map? Wait a minute. Oh, or not. Delete everything. You're not supposed to be able to do this, but I am. Yep. Yeah. This is really dope. There's really everything. And then they make this go down. Oh, Bro, what do you mean? Oh! Wrong item I used. Okay. Oh, there goes. There goes one thing. That went right through that. What do you, what? What do you mean? Knock it down. I want to see on how much can I actually get this house in there. Amazing. If you guys ever want teardown, I mean, it says you can have like a GTX 680 or no 1080. 680 is a minimum. Yeah, that's bull crap, bro. You need like a high computer. Like if you actually cause a lot of mayhem, your computer's gonna say goodbye. Let me give you a good demonstration. Might be out of voxels and all, but just give you a good demonstration real quick. Let's just ram this yacht and destroy the whole yacht. Or do that too. There's a lot of movable items. Yeah, you're not gonna run it that well. Like that yacht. If I could go in front of the yacht. Yeah. Yep, there you go. There's some lag now. My computer's really gonna dislike me after this. Oh, yep. I'm probably running like... What am I running at? It's loading. Or it won't. One or the other. I'm like running like 20 FPS. Oh. Yeah, like I said. I mean, you kind of need a decent computer if you're running this on like some crappy computer at the minimum specs. You could probably destroy like half of a house and then start lagging pretty bad. Look at that. Like I bet you if you just went like this. Oh, wrong thing. If you went like this, yeah, you would 100% lag on a shit computer, just like that. From that. Yep. Yeah. And, more, yeah. Yep. What if I take this truck and, do something with it? Okay, I thought I had no back wheels for a minute. Wait a minute. I want to test something. Oh! Amazing. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Wait, that means if I... Okay, okay. What? What? Bro, is this Harry Potter? Bro, are we playing Harry Potter game now? Like, what do you mean? Oh. Okay. Yep. This house is destroyed. You wanna know what I think about that? Everyone that lived there, and you know, has died from a sad, depressed truck driver. That how one like equals one respect for this dead lamp on how it's still working and this whole house is destroyed. That's one like for one respect on the lamp. 110%. But yeah, that's besides the point. Let's get back to doing what we're doing. Did not mean to do that. Wait a minute. Maybe I did. Hang on. Amazing. I got under them. What? You know what? Bro, there's like nukes. My god. Idea? Question mark? Wait, give me that grain. Yep, yeah, give me that. Alright. Today, this is what I call demolition at its finest. Oh, I don't wanna... Okay. Okay, that's what I did not want to do. Never mind. No, that is what I wanted to do. I guess. Actually, wait. Let's go to a different map real quick. Bet. We locked up in prison, boys. Not really. Horny jail. Why is that? Why isn't this is a fucking? This is a fucking mall, and you're like locked up in a jail cell. Is what the fucking bathroom looks. Okay, that's supposed to be a sauna, as I'm 90% sure. Why? Why? What? Why? Honestly, man. See, you know what? You know what? Let's just leave that be. Ow. I'm gonna take a nice, good-looking Lamborghini out for a spin. Wanna know how to do that? Gotta get outside first. Doesn't everyone just want to do that? Just take the nice cars from a mall, and you just want to just take them out for a test drive? Not exactly steal it, but just steal it. Kinda like that. You just test drive it. That's my way of test driving a Lamborghini. Just dig it into the ground. Get all that grass out of there. You know what? I know where another Lamborghini's at. If I can... Uh-huh. Yeah, this ain't a Lamborghini anymore. It's now the Super Destroyed. Instead of a Supercar, it's the Super Destroyed 3000, man. Honestly, I would not drive... Actually, I would. Honestly, if you just strap a seat on that, put a new engine in it, I would drive that, make it a go-kart, bro. Honestly, man. But yeah, this is how I would actually test... Okay, maybe not like... How did that rip my whole... Okay. This is how I would test drive a car, 100%. You first want to see if it's durable. This is not durable. Whatsoever. See if you can drift with it. 100%. 100%. 100%. Wait a minute. Shopping carts? Ice cream truck? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Get in. Oh! Bet. Shopping trolleys. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme. Bro, doesn't fit. What do you mean? It's destruction time. Destruction shall be deserved. Oh god, that's laggy. That's what I call it, a nuclear ice cream truck. Okay, honestly, lag, for one, real. Now, honestly, I want to see. Can I drift a char? I almost said char. Can I drift a char in this lag? Can I drift a car in this lag? Thank you. That's a no. Bro, this is literally like slow motion. This is what low-end gamers see. Bro, that one explosion just like hit the ground but didn't even actually lag. Or well, didn't even destroy anything. That's how laggy it is. Ow. 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 Okay, let's just restart this level. The lag is real, honestly. Speedrun time. Cue the dream music. But no one cares about dream music. Sometimes. Speedrun of stealing a car out of a mall. Done dip. But honestly, you'd be probably dead. If you did that. Well, one, in real life, and two, just because of how destroyed the car would be by the end of it. This car gives you an actual demonstration on how it'd be. But there'd be people there. And you'd probably run over 5 of them. Get a really good 20-year in prison. Maybe more. Who knows? Take a Mustang. And a Ford truck, maybe? What do you get? A Ford Mustang. Blech. Can I destroy this with a big Minecraft gold block? Probably did. Yep, 100% did. Why is this? Bro. This is still drivable somehow. What do you mean? It's still drivable. Still drivable. Now can I... Actually, wait. Ooh, it's like glued. What do you mean? There. It's not glued anymore. It's really not glued anymore. Wait a minute. A crane? Question mark? Yeah. Oh. How is that crane still working? That's my question. Bro, this thing's like a laser cutter, honestly. 100%. Oh, okay, there it goes. Okay. It still moves. That was satisfying. What? You know what? Let's turn that up to max. Exactly. Eat, eat, eat. Alright. Big semi time. Oh, the light's actually glowing it. I never knew that. Punks, I never drove a semi in this game. Now my boost thing for the vehicles. It's like a GTA boost. Jesus fucking Christ. Why? Why? How is it? What did I do? Well, it's like a big monster. Just a big fat guy just took a bite out of this crap. Like, damn, bro. And then, oh, I'm kick flipping it. I'm kick flipping it. Landed it right on the pink Lamborghini almost. Now my boost is really powerful. I'm in what? What? Alright. Alright then. Alright then. It respawned me as well. Can I actually, wait, we can play Minecraft? We play a Minecraft. I wonder. Oh, yep. Wait, I have an idea. Actually, I'm also curious about something. Oh. Alright. That works. Yep. Yep. Oh, I actually landed that. But the Lamborghini died, no. Alright. I want to see, well, how many destroyed vehicles can I fit in the back of this? And then just ram it into the mall. Okay, okay. Yep, yep, yep. Jesus. Goddamn. And, oh, okay, okay, okay. And. Yep. Just magic, bro. Let me out, let me out, let me the fuck. You know what, everyone hates these things, right? Yeah, I think everyone does. So, how should we do this? You know what? You know what? If I'm gonna get a number randomizer thing. If one, we either just delete this whole mall, which is number 2, or number 1, we just destroy this whole mall until my computer dies. Well, maybe. Not really. I don't want to do that. Choose a number between. Actually, why am I doing Cortana's better, bro? Bro. Choose a number between 1 and 2. Thank you for your very unwelcome experience. Choose a number between 1 and 2. What do you mean? Oh, no. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take 2 shopping trolleys. And whatever one, I gotta destroy them the exact same. There you go. Now they're similar. Whatever one gets destroyed the most, getting ran over. So number 2, number 1. Let's see. I'll use miniature Jeep to make it fair. Oh crap. I ran over a pedestrian. That was a... Oh! Did not mean to do that! You know what? Trick shot time. Can I delete the vehicle? Wait, no. Wait a minute! Oh. I'm honestly amazed. Bro, no one needs the outline, bro. It's just for looks, bro. Honestly. Actually, I want to delete this whole mall and see what it looks like. Oh. I think my computer almost just died. It just lagged twice really hard. It's never done that. It's done that once. Does not seem really good, honestly. Is the recording even normal? Yeah, it is. That did not seem very nice. That my computer did not like anything. It does not like teardown. I want to make this whole mall just like levitate. I'm afraid that my computer is going to just explode next morning. I'm going to be dead. Yep. Yep. Oh! Wrong item again. Hey, let's go. Let's go, fam. I want to make this whole place levit. Where the hell did that come from? And I broke it. Nice. Can I bring it more? Oh, okay. You know what? This is boring. I like this. Never mind. This ain't boring now. Let's go. Hang on. I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and I'm gonna go do something, and see if you guys like it or not.